How to add background music in Voloco? Want to add background music to your vocals in Voloco? Let's do it. Fast, easy, and fun. Open the Voloco app. You are on the home screen. Now tap the pink and blue plus button at the bottom center. This opens your project options. To add background music, tap import if you have your own background music from your device, or tap new project. Here tap add beat and use Voloco's free beats. Now you are in the recording screen. Let the background music load. Hit the mic icon or red button and start singing, rapping, or speaking. Voloco will auto-sync your voice with the beat in real time with auto-tune applied. After recording, try out vocal press like hard tune, big chorus, or vocoder. They will sit right on the top of your background track. Perfect blend. Done. Tap continue. Then save your mix or publish it with the world, TikTok, Instagram, anywhere. Just like that, your voice plus background music means instant bandwidth. If this was helpful, smash the like button, and if you have a question, drop them in the comment and subscribe for more fast mobile music tips. Catch you in the next one.